Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Minnie and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this beautiful dress. The first thing you want to do is to take your measurement, your length, how long you want to dress or how short you want to dress. After that, you're going to fold the fabric into two and then cut it in the middle. For this dress, I am using 2 yards of fabric.
Liberian girl, you're not supposed to take it up, take it up. Liberian girl, but you're supposed to pay it, pay it. Ooh, now you can make a papa. Now you can make a papa look sexy. Now you can make a papa. Now you can make a papa look sexy. Bado, bado, omusa. My baby, don't take all the lapa. Si you lele, don't take all the lapa. My baby, don't take all the lapa. Si you lele, don't take all the.
Okay guys, so the measurement I am doing right now is 9 inches. 1 inch is for the neckline, 7 inches is for the armhole, and 1 is for the elastic. So out of the 9 inches, I'm going to be taking 1 inch off for the neckline. So this is the armhole. I'm going to be cutting 8 inches off. 1 inch is for the neckline and 7 inches is for the armhole. After cutting the armhole, you're going to sew one side of the dress straight down. Okay guys, so this is where we're going to put the band for the elastic. The band measurement is 1 inch. And the 1 inch we took from the 9 inches. It was 9 inches, but we took 1 for the elastic. This is where we're going to place the band and sew it. Make sure to sew both sides so the elastic can go through it. The measurement I am doing for the elastic is 22. You will measure under your breast and then take a couple of inches off. The 1 inch for the neckline, you're going to fold it and then sew it. After sewing, you're going to put the rope through it and make sure to do it to both sides. Okay guys, so you're going to sew the other side of the dress and then hem the bottom.